nami bienvenue sur ma chaîne tutorial of français Yumi and French. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel French tutorial Yumi and French, and you are learning French with me Trupti. So I hope you are enjoying learning French in Yumi and French, and today we will learn vocabulary on interesting topic, that is what's in my bag. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? We carry our bag daily. So I thought this vocabulary will be useful for us, and I hope you will like it, and especially girls. So let's start. What's in my bag? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Bag, le sac. Bag, le sac. Repeat after me. Le sac. Now check what's in my bag. Let's see. Very important. It's mobile phone, le téléphone portable. Le téléphone portable. Repeat after me. Le téléphone portable. Now let's see what's next. Earphones. Earphones, les écouteurs. Les écouteurs. Les écouteurs. Now check power bank. Power bank, la batterie portable. La batterie portable. La batterie portable. Now let me find. It's wallet. Wallet is la porte-monnaie. La porte-monnaie. Repeat after me. La porte-monnaie. Now let's open it. Yes. Now let me check. Credit card. La carte de crédit. Credit card. La carte de crédit. La carte de crédit. Now let's check. What's next? Oops. Debit card. Debit card. La carte de débit. La carte de débit. La carte de débit. You just need to change credit and debit word. Then let me find something else. This is very important in our life. Money. Money, l'argent. Money, l'argent. Money, l'argent. Now let's take sanitizer. Nowadays it is very important to use, so use it. So sanitizer, le désinfectant. A hard word, so you need to repeat it. Le désinfectant. Le désinfectant. Then now check. Mask. Corona mask. So we will say in French le masque. Repeat after me. Le masque corona or le masque. Le masque corona or le masque. And please use it whenever you go outside. Now check. Diary. Diary, le journal intime. Le journal intime. Le journal intime. Now let me find water bottle. Water bottle, la bouteille d'eau. La bouteille d'eau. 3 words. La bouteille d'eau. La bouteille d'eau. Easy. Then next. If you have a diary, then you must have a pen. So pen, le stylo. Le stylo. Let's take makeup kit. Makeup kit, le kit de maquillage. I know it's a hard word. You need to practice it. So now repeat after me. Lakit the makhilash. Lakit the makhilash. Lakit the makhilash. Then next, deodorant. Deodorant, le deodorant. Le deodorant. Le deodorant. Then next, what next is perfume. Perfume, le parfum. Le parfum. Le parfum. Then I have comb. Comb, le peigne. Le peigne. Then next. Face wash gel. Now listen carefully. Face wash gel is le gel nettoyant pour le visage. OMG. Now listen carefully. Face wash, le gel nettoyant pour le visage. Le gel nettoyant pour le visage. Visage means face. So face wash gel. Okay? You need to practice it. Practice makes man perfect. Then next is, let me check. I have sunglasses in my bag which I carry every day. So sunglasses is les lunettes de soleil. Les lunettes de soleil. Les lunettes de soleil. Now, let's check. Sanitary napkins. It is also very important to carry in our bag. So sanitary napkin is la serviette hygiénique. Repeat after me. La serviette hygiénique. La serviette hygiénique. Very good. Now next one is tissue paper. Tissue paper is le papier de soie. Le papier de soie. Le papier de soie. Now, next one is, yes, I always carry sunglasses. Sunglasses is les lunettes de soleil. Les lunettes de soleil. Les lunettes de soleil. So let's check what next. Keys. Keys, les clés. Keys, les clés. Keys, les clés. Les clés. I hope it's an easy word to understand. Now, handkerchief. For a safer side, you must carry a handkerchief. Handkerchief is le mouchoir. Le mouchoir. Le mouchoir. So friends, I hope you will like my video on what's in my bag. And this is just the vocabulary part we have taken in this video. I will make next video on sentences on what's in my bag. So we will use this vocabulary and we will make sentence by using many tenses and many grammatical part. So till then you need to practice this vocabulary because this is daily words that we use in our life. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and whatever you have doubt, please mention in comment. Till next video, I will meet you so soon. Till then, bye bye, au revoir and take care. And stay tuned with Yumi and French and Trupti.